here, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to make a rainbow challah.
I see the rainbow challah.
Come here, come here.
What's the rainbow challah?
Okay, I'll show you the rainbow challah. What do you think?
Good.
Good? That's it? Good?
But I don't see any yellow one.
Oh boy. So in Judaism, there's a tradition to pray as you make a challah, and I really wanted to make a rainbow challah because there's such a big storm going on in our world right now with coronavirus, and I know everyone is deeply praying for this storm to pass and for the rainbow to come. So I thought it'd be very fitting to make a rainbow challah, and I want to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to do it. There it is right there, and let's get into the video. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Marian. I make videos about being a mom and being a Jewish mom, and I would love it if you hit that red subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. So for this rainbow challah, I just used my regular challah dough recipe, which I'll link below. And I am wearing gloves when I do this because there is a lot of food coloring involved to get these really rich colors. So I use the gel food colorings by Wilton. I'll link them below. They're very powerful, I like to say. But again, because I'm someone who's doing this for YouTube and Instagram, I'm adding more food coloring than I maybe otherwise would. So I just divide my dough into enough balls as I have colors for, and some are bigger than others because the outer edges of the rainbow, like the red, will take more dough than the innermost color, purple or pink. So I just break my dough into balls and then divide each one, once I've colored it, into three little worms that I roll out, and then I just braid them. Next, I'm going to just shape the rainbow shape. I want it to be almost as big as my pan. My challah recipe does not expand too much, which is why I like it for doing things like this. It's not the fluffiest. It's one of those I love just for the taste of it and for making different shapes. Okay, I did a little experiment to show you guys what things look like if you don't wear gloves and how much the food coloring will stain your hands. I also really recommend trying to put the food coloring in before your dough has fully risen. I'll put a note below about that in the instructions because I found it much more difficult to put the dough in after the dough had risen and then divide it. I think if you divide it once you've initially made the dough and then add the food coloring at that point in the mixer, it would be a lot easier. But you could always do a test batch with, just a little piece of the dough and see how that goes. So that's what the orange looks like. I'm just going to place it on the pan next to the red. And I didn't do anything to stick the different colors together. I just placed them next to each other and made sure they touch. That's enough because in the oven, things will rise and expand a little bit, and that'll be enough to keep them sealed together in the rainbow. So once you've added food coloring to each of your different balls of dough, all you have to do is braid them. I just did this in a little time lapse because I thought it looked cool to put them all next to each other. I just like to do this for fun and, try and experiment with different things. So this was a really fun project and definitely something, if you have kids, I'm sure would love to do. And I think that what I really love and encourage on my channel and on my Instagram page is just to make Judaism fun and to make it appealing to you and your family. So right now we've been talking so much about rainbows and doing rainbow art projects, and I wanted to involve Judaism in that conversation and share with my son how we really value prayer and acts of loving kindness to make the world a better place, especially right now. So this is what the challah dough looked like going into the oven. I put it in at 350 degrees for just 20 minutes. Because each braid is very thin, it does not need to cook for much longer. And when you use food coloring, you don't want to overcook because the colors won't look nice if they're too browned.
Can I have a piece with all the colors?
Oh, this piece doesn't have all the colors?
No, it doesn't have orange.
Okay, how about this piece? Is that better?
Yeah, it's a purple too.
Okay. How is it, Max?
Good.
Okay, so that is my rainbow challah tutorial. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to see more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!